DJI 2024, let's go. Oh man, this is madness. There's so many bikes around, man. 170 riders, £25,000 raised for men's mental health. Second in the country to only London, and most importantly, second country in the world to only one, the USA. I'm in just shock, man, at the amount of people that have turned up to come and do this ride is insane. 170 bikes of all shapes, sizes, ages, all for men's mental health. So if you've never heard of DJI before, number one, what are you doing? If you own a bike, get involved in DJI, it is sick. DJI is a distinguished gentleman's ride, and it happens every year. It started in Sydney, Australia, with the goal of raising money for both men's mental health and prostate cancer research. I've said it before, two massively preventable causes, and if you're all good and you want to do something to help support people that aren't so good, get involved with DJI, because it's sick, and you get to go out and ride with incredible people dressed in dapper suit and tie, and just enjoy motorcycling, which is a great way of raising money for charity. It's lovely today as well, like 19 degrees. My right leg's burning because of the pipe. This is going to be such a good day. It's been incredible already, just like chatting to people. Some of you guys have come up to me as well and said hello, which was cool. So shout out you guys. Shout out you guys for recognising the bike and then suddenly finding me, which was weird. I mean, I was keeping an eye on the cameras. There's all sorts. There's a bloke on like a little mini moto, which is sick. You got like scooters, you've got old school BMWs, you've got Triumphs. There's so many Triumphs. This is the one exception I will make and wave at a cyclist. All the little villages and stuff that we're going through, they've all been told that we're coming through, so hopefully there's some people out. Give us a little wait. Back in the open face helmet as well, which is, it feels good, man. It feels good in the summer when the wind's coming in. I mean, the audio does take a dive compared to what I've had with my Scorpion, but you can't complain, man. The look of this helmet with the suit and tie, I think I've done a pretty good job, you know. It's mad. I don't think I've seen this many like modern classic motorcycles in one place. Like every other bike is some kind of Royal Enfield or Triumph or Harley. Like they're all just sick. A couple of BMWs in there. I see there's Ducatis for the first time in Norfolk. You rarely see that kind of bike up here. The Ducati Scrambler. We're waking up all the villagers though, man. Like people coming out of their house. You guys have got to come and try this. If you've never done DJI, like this is my first year and I already know I'm coming back. And next year I'm going to raise more money, going to get it out there more, because this is such a cool experience. I see the chapter doing all the corner marshalling for us on this ride, which is sick. I'm just here, I'm just enjoying it. He's so pissed, man, the people coming through. He just stomped off. I mean, to be fair to him, there is like a million Harleys and there's not a single stock exhaust on this ride. So many people out, man, that's sick. Cool to see so many kids out as well, like just parents bring their kids out to see this, because this is a sight, man. 170 bikes all rolling through, all dressed in suit and tie, looking the business. Like, yeah, that's a cool thing to see. If I was a kid, I'd be buzzing to see that. Little right leg update. She be cooking. Oh yeah, we've been going quite slow, man. The airflow's not getting in. I'm starting to feel it on the odd leg. We're in a little bit of a twisty section now, so hopefully we get up, get our speed up a bit, and I can get some airflow to that leg. So just cool it down, man. Oh, what a lovely corner. What a lovely road, man. Might have to come back here, because this is... Oh, it's beautiful. So there we go. Even that little 10-mile-an-hour increase has just helped my leg. Saved it. Oh, wow. It's like a massive snake, man. Snake bites. Maybe a different helmet next year. Might go for the Nardo Grey and then just change out the visor and run goggles, because you can do that with the Scorpion, and I completely forgot. But no, next year I'm going to sign up today. Legs feeling better now, a lot cooler. I feel like I haven't been out for so long on this bike, and it was literally like last Wednesday that I went out. It's Sunday today. Oh, I've been getting withdrawals. The problem was, it's like rained all week, and then I've been like panicking for this, thinking like, oh my god, what if it rains? Like, do I just get wet and go with the suit, or do I put a barber jacket on and just try and roll with that? Like, what's a good idea? And luckily, I woke up this morning, and even at like 8 o'clock, this was the weather. It was gorgeous, and I was gassed because it'd have been cool in the wet either way. My little passion project, this video. There's going to be so much footage to cut down. It wouldn't surprise me if I'm going to fill my SD card up today, which would be insane. I shouldn't do. Maybe on the little GoPro. Maybe on the little GoPro, but we'll figure that out. We'll figure that out. I mean, this pace ride as well is pretty good, because like, even 125s can do it, but it's not overly boring for, you know, like a 900, your 1000s. So if you've got like a retro, like a mutt, you could easily come along to a ride like this and just fit in, or even like the Yamaha XR 125, something like that. You could just breeze along in this. I bet in Birmingham today, there is a lot of mutts out on the ride. And I don't blame them, because they fit the period that we're going for, I guess. Come on, give me just a little bit of breeze on that leg. Oh man, there's so many people out. This is sick. I'm loving the twisties so far. I thought it'd be a lot of like, you know, like starting in the city and heading out. When I heard it was Norwich, pleasantly surprised. There's a lot of like twisty little roads. This is the part of motorcycling that you never see, like the good that people do. Like, you hear about moped thieves, you hear about people nicking bikes constantly, you hear about people doing wheelies, he's getting in trouble, man, but you never see the good they do, like raising 25k for men's mental health and prostate cancer research. That's unbelievable. All in partnership with Movember. I'll leave a link to my fundraiser in the description. It's still active for a couple of weeks, so if you haven't and you can, please donate, because this is what this is all for. Now we're cooking. Oh, car's pulling in for us. That's sick, man. That is sick. I think we're coming to the end, man. We've got to be almost there now, which is, it's sad but also sick. So speed camera. Everyone's slowing down.